thanks so much for stopping back by my YouTube page. In today's video, I'm coming to you with another unit from Luvmehair. It's a 10-inch bob. Now this unit is a natural color. It has the side part. It's pre-bleach, pre-plucked, and a natural hairline. It's 150% density. As you can see, the lace is 13 by 5 by 1 inches. This unit does come with 3 combs and adjustable straps and an elastic band. Now, as we get into this video, I'm going to show you how I install this unit. I am using the red tinted lace tint. I'm going to do this to the lace so I don't have to use any type of spray or makeup. Now, I did get this product from the beauty supply store. So if you guys are interested in this unit, I will leave all the details down below in my description box. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my page. And yeah, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And also, I'm going to leave my code down below throughout the video so you guys can use it whenever you go on Luvmehair website. As you can see, I didn't do anything to the hairline or anything like that. It was already pre-plucked, pre-bleached, and I'm just feeling myself in this unit. I'm just loving it. Okay. So let's get right into this video. Like I said, if you are interested, I will leave the links down below. It's going to be a quick and easy install, so I hope you guys enjoy. Hey guys, so my final thoughts on this wig. I really didn't have to do too much to it. Like I said, it was pre-plucked, pre-bleached, and the only thing I had to do is just run my curlers through the front part. The unit is very nice and silky soft. It was no tangles. It was shedding a little, but other than that, the unit is very good. It's perfect. And if you guys are interested in this unit, I will leave all the details down below in my description box. Like I said before, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I hope you guys enjoyed my video, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye guys.